There are other methods to filter intra VLAN traffic, INTRA, not inter VLAN. You could use a private VLAN. It gets a little hairy at times. So specifying if you have certain blocks that you know you need, blocks of host addresses that you need blocked from one another, you can just use a VLAN access map, define the quote unquote interesting traffic. Little play on VLAN video that I got out there. So you're defining the traffic that needs to be blocked, and again, successful configuration here in just about, I think, less than 10 lines of code. So you can scale this, as you can see, much beyond the scope of what we did here. This is just two host blocks that they happen to be on the same floor, assigned to the same VLAN, and we don't want them talking to each other. You know, like I said, you could have a set of databases or servers that each one of these departments is responsible for, that they use, and you can't necessarily always trust your employees, or really you don't need them seeing what each other does. And there may be a specific case where you have someone over in engineering that needs to do something with sales, but in most cases they probably will not need to access the same resources. So there could be a block of management servers over here, a block of databases for a marketing or sales department, or personnel that has records, and you only want the people who are responsible for managing and accessing those to have legitimate access to. So access maps, great way to filter traffic within VLAN, and where you can't use an ACL. You cannot apply this at just a normal layer 2 switch. So at these access switches, they cannot filter using access maps, so you will need a layer 3 switch or a multi-layer switch to take care of that. I hope you've been able to take away some information from this lab, and you can always email me at bowlermj@yahoo.com. I appreciate spending the time with me, and send any requests my way for videos that you may want to see in the future. Thanks.